Police conduci training workshop on educational safety, preparation and management on terrorism. Con el mga Boy Scout ali ng Baliwasan Central School ayer aga. El BAM Squad del ABCU9 junto con el Institutional Scouting Committee y el Baliwasan Central School. Ya conduci entrenyo con el mga Boy Scout na teprente sa eskwela.
This training and workshop, we equip our scouts coming from different school like Landangua, Sambame, DGEM, San Jose Gusu, Baliwasan Central School, from Canela Elementary School, including the respective adult leaders of different schools. Todo kami tagikamit hunto-hunto aura because we believe these scouts will be the hope and shall we say the leader, the responsible leader in the future, because we equip these Palayan Boy Scouts about terrorism. So we invited also source speakers coming from the PNP Aviation Security Unit 9 and also from BAM Squad and the K9 Unit.
Así con el principal de Baliwasan Central School, si Dr. Edgardo Palcatan, buena preparasyon para con el mga bata, para si Cheneman mga suseso, sabi sila si Cosa Ase.
Nisisita kita con el yaton mga bata, hindi man kita habla taroga, pero this is very important to them para in the event chene mga
So may audit team tayo pumunta rito, nagkakaroon ng awareness sa kanila on the beam. Kasi tinitingnan natin hindi lang sa airport kundi what if during that time na nagka-camping sila at may mga na-identified silang item or unattended baggage and then nakita ng isang scout. So yun yung pinapractice natin sila as per responder at kung kanino sila mag-report at anong gagawin nila doon sa area once na may nakita sila ganung item.
El Police Inspector Alexander Cabanlong del ABCU9 habla, el mga bata bien curioso. Por eso ensinya sila si Cosa debe hacer, si tal caso tiene mga kalamidad o encontra sila mga abandonado bagahe na di ila lugar.
Well, honestly, it is more of saving of life actually. It is a life saving. For instance, ang bata kasi is masyadong malikot at playful. So if may nakita sila something about box sa isang area na box, sometimes because of the curiosity, papakialaman nila. So malay mo, di natin alam, di natin masabi, baka yung napakialaman nila is an IED pala. So yun yung tinitingnan natin.
Emil Tuban, Dateline Zamboanga.